Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas or Sabka Prayas have been the core philosophies of the government. Also, the empowerment of women and promotion of entrepreneurship have been the topmost priority of the nation. As we all know, that from winning medals in Olympics to building tech-based innovative solutions, women today are leading by example in all walks of life. Supporting this deed, recently MyGov under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and UN Women have joined hands to launch the Amrit Mahotsav Shri Shakti Innovation Challenge 2021, encouraging entrepreneurs to participate in the challenge. The Ministry of Electronics and IT, Communications and Railways informed that the government will be supporting the startups and entrepreneurs in the most difficult phase, that is the initial risk phase. Out of 100, even if 20 entrepreneurs grow to the next level, that will be a great journey for the country. And we are looking at 1 million more flowers to bloom, 1 million more entrepreneurs to create more jobs to make their mark. The UN Women representative in India also mentioned that the Shri Shakti Challenge provides a much needed platform to foster women-led solutions that can improve women's safety, build economic gains, and benefit thousands of other women as we build back from COVID-19. Let's get to know more about this challenge. The aim of this challenge is Nari Sashktikaran, which is to empower women to help them achieve their full potential. It focuses on encouraging technology solutions developed by women entrepreneurs that facilitate women's safety and empowerment. The Amrit Mahotsav Shri Shakti Innovation Challenge is a platform where women tech entrepreneurs and startups can showcase their products designed for women by women. The Amrit Mahotsav Shri Shakti Challenge 2021 is hosted on the MyGov platform and will accept entries till September 17, 2021. It is important to know that 10 nominees will be shortlisted and supported through a mentorship program, and each nominee will be awarded a grant of Rs 1 lakh to develop the proof of concept of their ideas. Following a rigorous screening process, 5 winners will be selected by a jury in November 2021. The winners will be awarded Rs 5 lakh each to develop, market and implement their solutions. The challenge will take place in 3 phases. In the first place, all participants have to register on MyGov portal. After that, a mail will be sent to the registered email ID of the participants acknowledging their MyGov registration. After registering on MyGov portal, users can participate in this challenge. Post-registration, the individual or company representation could click on the Participate button and upload the necessary details and information on the portal. In the final stage, the top 10 teams will compete and 3 entries will be selected for a reward of Rs 5 lakh each by UN Women for final development and rollout. All the winners will be provided with a certificate of appreciation from MyGov. Further, more information regarding the evaluation parameters, evaluation process, timeline, eligibility criteria and guidelines could be obtained from MyGov's website. Besides, the Government of India is committed to empowering women and has taken various transformative steps in this direction. These include the Mudra scheme for giving interest-free loans to the poor, the Ujjwala scheme whereby women were given free gas connections, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao to educate the girl child, as well as the abolition of triple talaq to provide dignity to women. With such growing opportunities, an increasing number of women have been breaking stereotypes and embracing entrepreneurial careers. We'll be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.